Imagine a friend or a loved one who went to get something from the store. It's been half an hour and they still aren't back. You call their phone and someone picks up. Hello? Is this the owner of the phone? Someone asks. Because I'm extremely sorry. They were texting on their phone and weren't looking, and they hit an oncoming car. The ambulance is on its way now. I hope they'll make it too. Texting while driving may not seem like a big problem, but it really is. The amount of times a scenario like this has happened is surprisingly high. And according to the NHTSA in 2015, 3,477 people were killed and about 391,000 people were injured due to distracted driving. Take it from the stories from people who have died while texting while driving. One that's been highlighted in the U.S. Department of Transportation's blog, Fastlane, is the story of Heather Lurch. While driving home from work, as she has done hundreds of times, Heather approached a bend in the road, but she was texting, saw the bend too late, and crashed through the guardrail. Heather was killed instantly. Heather's parents have also spoke out, saying that the texting conversation could have waited, and it wasn't worth Heather's life. Another story from Fastlane is about John T. Gordon. He was a police officer. While riding his motorcycle on Ohio State Route 4, someone swerved into his lane. John was hit and killed instantly. The person who was driving the truck and hit John. There's also countless more stories, especially when you consider that over 3,000 people had to sadly pass due to distracted driving. Texting while driving is one of the worst trends that happened in recent years, and it's one of the most deadly too. Whenever you are thinking about taking out your phone while driving, remember the people who died due to it and what their families had to go through.